tested. Before you can build the PC in the contest, you must build the PC in your mind. Go, Chan, go, go! Patch, don't block, patch! I didn't win this race by being a mamby-pamby, 100 reps a day jump. No peanut down! Faster, faster! Damn it, Chan, you're never gonna win the race with this screw catching technique. Nibble fingers, nibble fingers, nibble fingers! Two hands, two hands, two hands! Both hands, both hands, both hands! Time. I'm confident I can beat 2/3 of these people. I'm a little worried about those guys over there. Nathan over from Maximum PC. But I've had 2 Red Bulls and 4 slices of prime rib. I'm ready to go. Let's do this. Go to a hard drive, secondary hard drive.
So make sure you get this little plug into the right port on the board.
So where is that?
Well, it's going to be the primary one, probably. You have to do memory?
Yeah, 2 sticks.
You're going to have a hard time screwing.
Let me take a quick look. Oh, right. Video card last then?
Video card should be the last thing. A new challenger appears.
You ain't got nothing on him. Who is he? Promoter?
He's the hype man. He's the hype man.
He's got longer arms than you. That's gonna I got nimble fingers. Your reach is going to hurt you.
I played piano for 9 years.
11 years.
General interest gadgeting thing is going to bite you in the ass, Ken.
We don't use that word.
I sit in the lab all day, all week, building computers and crying.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, hey, whoa, whoa. I don't expect to fail. I only expect to win, but if I fail, it is all your fault.
No pressure for the rest of you, but just think in terms of less than 6 minutes, and you might win this year's race.
This is one of the biggest turnouts we've had to date.
This year, all the proceeds will benefit the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. So thanks to all of our sponsors. Alrighty now, it's time for the main event. From Tested.com. Whoever builds their PC the fastest and connects to the network, they may be the winner. But remember, penalties can occur. Our judges will be roaming around, keeping an eye. Ladies and gentlemen, race participants, hands in the air, please.
Good luck.
Both hands.
Have Batman.
As a former cop, I'm used to seeing
Always
this.
be winning.
Get ready, get set, build! And it starts.
Norm's, it looks like he's loading the hard drive first. There are 2 screws in the hard drive. He is actually sliding the drive caddy in. The tricky part is there are 2 actual hard drives in this machine, a primary drive and secondary drive. I forgot to tell Norm not to use the bit on the screwdriver. Just use the driver itself. I see a lot of positioning, not a lot of twisting. Norm's now connecting the optical drive. He's connected power and data, it looks like. I can't tell from this angle necessarily, but it's looking pretty good. He's mounting screws on the bit. hard drive cage is a real.
Stephen Funk is working on the floor.
You got it, Norm. He's screwing in the hard drive cage now. This is looking pretty good. Norm, take the bit out. Just use the driver.
My hands are shaking from the Red Bull.
This hard drive bay is really f***ing Norm over hard. Stephen Fung has a machine powered up. Stephen Fung has won. A win is now out of the question unless there's some sort of technical disqualification. We have a third, fourth, fifth. They're not official yet. Top 10 may be out of the reach. Bring it home, Norm. Bring it home, Norm. Norm is hit the power button. Hands up, Chen.
The hard drive bay. I used the wrong screwdriver. This screwdriver. This is the right one.
Number 12.
Wait! I beat Nathan Edwards! I beat Nathan Edwards! Yes!
Norman has beaten his maximum PC nemesis, Nathan Edwards.
Bringing up his own check, Stephen Funk. Stephen Funk from Vancouver. Stephen's time, 4 minutes and 9 seconds. Congratulations, Stephen Funk.
Next year. There's always next year.